memories lit this town like a fire in a blaze.
What's going on, good people? It's Terrence with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to our channel. Today we'll get into something new. I'm kind of an impulse buyer when it comes to food and spices. So I was at the shop and I saw this pink pineapple, this Pinkglow, and I'm like, what is this about? So just reading up on it, says pink pineapples have been genetically modified to produce lower levels of enzymes that convert lycopene into beta-carotene, which prevents the transformation from pink to yellow. Pink pineapples, they say, are sweeter and less acidic than the regular pineapples. So it's actually a hybrid of the red Spanish pineapple and the sugarloaf pineapples. And they're grown in small amounts on a single farm in Costa Rica by the Del Monte Fresh Produce. So I said, let's just try it. Let's see what it's all about, all right? Let's see.
Just like a spark that's breaking out, can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger.
So let's see, moment of truth. Let's see. I'm just gonna cut a piece here. Let's see. It's good. It's good. I mean, it is a little less acidic. This particular one probably could be a little bit riper. It probably gets a little sweeter than this, but it's not bad. If you guys try it, let me know. All right.